You can use onion to receive or recover back your lost glory. Get a lot of money and improve your business. Hi, you're welcome back to our channel Smart Idea TV, where we talk spirituality. And today in this video I'm going to be teaching you simple thing to do when your business is not moving as expected, or you are not receiving money, you are not seeing money, or you feel that things are not the way they are supposed to be. You are putting in a lot of effort and you are not seeing the result. It might be that your glory has been stolen, and how to recover that stolen glory using onion is what I'm going to be teaching you in this video. So what are we going to be needing? The ingredient we are going to be needing is very simple. Number one, we are using onion. You have to get one big onion like this is what you need to get. Number two, you get your soap. It can be tablet soap, then it can be the African local soap. We call it Oshedu in our climate here. African local soap, you can get that. Then the third thing is the spiritual perfume. Any spiritual perfume will do. It can be Beat Sudan, it can be Six Flowers, it can be Divine Grace, it can be Onola, it can be any perfume of your choice. So far that perfume has a lot of scent, especially a masculine scent. It has a lot of masculine scent. You can use that perfume. The essence of the perfume is to make our preparation to very sharp. Now, how do you prepare it? You get the onion, the big onion. You remove all the leafy part covering the onion. You know, onion has all these leafy parts. You remove all the leaves. So the juicy succulent part, the inside, is what you are going to be grinding or blending. You can use grinder to grind it, or you can use blender to blend it. You can use manual blender, you can use electric blender. Just make sure it is blended. Once it is blended, you are going to be mixing this blended onion with your soap, with the soap of any your choice of soap. You are going to be mixing it. Once you mix it together, then you are going to be pouring the just a little of your spiritual perfume. Just pour it into the mixture, then into the soap. Then you mix everything together very well. Then you pack it into a container, preferably a white container. If you don't have a white container, you can use any container, but preferably white container. Once you do that, you have it, you put it into a white container, then you have to go and keep it somewhere for 3 days. You are keeping it for 3 days. You are keeping this for 3 days. You can pray into it before you keep it. Pray into it all the good things you want. You want to recover. You want to receive your lost glory. You want to make your business to be going smoothly. Then you want to have a lot of money. Pray into it. Pray into it. Now you go and keep it. It's going to be there for 3 days. For 3 days is what is going to be there. Then after the third day, what are you going to be doing with it? After the third day, you are going to be using this to take your bath. At this point, if you have not subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. Just see the subscribe button down and click it. You are not paying anybody for this. Then also like this video and share it to your contacts. You might be helping somebody. Now let's continue. You are going to be using this mixture, this soap that you've prepared. You are going to be using it to take your bath, and you are going to be taking your bath every morning with this. Every morning you are going to be taking your bath with this every morning before going out. Even if you are not going out, you have to use it in the morning. Don't use it at night. This is very good in the morning. What it does is it clears all the cobwebs surrounding you, recover your lost glory, and open doors of opportunities. Money abundance will come. Your business will pick up, especially if you are the type that is doing contract jobs. You take contract here and there, you have stores, you sell things. This is very, very good for you. It is very, very good. It's a very good soap that I'm giving you. The preparation is simple but very effective, and it's very, very good. I'm giving you this. It's one of the secrets, like I used to say, it's one of the secrets that we spiritualists use to get money from our clients, and we are giving it to you for free. So don't say because it is free it won't be effective. Just make sure you do it. If you are stuck at any point, send a message. I'm going to be leaving my number. Send me a message and I'll be ready to answer you. Now, I suggest you use this in conjunction with a particular oil I prepared earlier. I call that oil Ifa oil. Ifa oil. I'm going to be linking the link to that video here for you, as well as put it in the description so that you can get that oil, prepare it, get it, and start using it along with this. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.